Welcome to Best TV. I'm Alex. Today I want to show you guys how to decorate your summer tumbler with the fake ice topper. And we just launched many DIY materials, including the fake ice cubes, the clear crushed ice, the multicolor crushed ice, and lemon and watermelon slices, all the things we need for a cool summer. And I can simply use the hot melt glue to fix them on the lid and to create more variety for my summer tumbler. So without further ado, let's move on to see how to make it. So first, I kind of need to imagine what my topper lid is gonna be like. I want a lemon slice and I want to make it colorful because I have so many colorful ice here, and you guys can skip this step if you want to, just do it casually and just follow your feelings. Now I have the image in my brain. Let's get started. Please always remember to leave the straw hole first when sticking the bottom layer ice. I want to stick some ice cubes first and leave some space so I can add some crushed ice and the lemon slice. So this is the base, and I want some ice to leak out, so I'm gonna stick some crushed ice along the edge. Now I'm gonna stick some crushed ice around the lemon and keep on stacking ice so it will look like a tumbler full of ice and look more realistic. Now my fake ice topper lid is done. Now I'm gonna print the tumbler with this cute lemon image to match the lid. So this is my fake ice summer tumbler. Do you want to make yours? Come get this amazing fake ice and fruit slices. And we will also supply some fake ice tumblers, mason jars, and stainless cups. They all come with the fake ice toppers already. And if you want to get the DIY materials or the drinkware here, please send an email to best@bestsub.net to place your orders. And please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. I'm Alex. Hope to see you again in my next video.